Hi, welcome to this series about Snort. Today we're going to install Snort. So in pfSense, I'm going to go to System and Package Manager. Click on Available Packages. And I'm going to search for Snort. This is the package I want, so I'm going to click on Install and confirm. And that's it. Installation successful. Snort is installed. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for this video. Also hit the bell icon so you can get notifications about our new videos just as they come out. We'll see you next time.